Looking for the ultimate way to extend, switch, and control your 4K signals? Meet the BG-EXH-4KC7, a 4K HDMI and USB-C KVM HDBaseT 3.0 extender switcher, designed for seamless long-distance transmission and powerful device control. With HDMI and USB-C inputs, this versatile extender lets you switch between multiple sources and transmit uncompressed 4K 60 video up to 330 feet over a single Cat6/7 cable, perfect for conference rooms, classrooms, control centers, and high-performance workstations. Beyond just video, the BG-EXH-4KC7 supports USB 3.0 extension, making it an ideal solution for KVM applications, interactive displays, and remote workstation setups. Connect peripherals like keyboards, mice, and webcams with zero lag, creating a smooth and efficient workflow. Equipped with Ethernet pass-through, IR, RS-232, and power over cable, this extender offers total control and flexibility, reducing cable clutter and simplifying your AV setup. Take command with effortless switching via front panel controls, IR remote, RS-232, or TCP/IP via web GUI, ensuring seamless operation in any environment. For professional-grade extension, switching, and control, the BG-EXH-4KC7 delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Extend your possibilities only with BZB Gear.